Hi guys, I'm Christina, founder of Jouer Cosmetics, and I wanted to make a video to show you some of my personal tips on how to use the Jouer foundation, how to make it look as much like natural skin as possible. This formula is very different than other foundations because it is extremely high coverage but very lightweight, which means that the application process is a little bit different, and I want you to know that a little bit goes a really long way. A lot of comments from people who use it for the first time say it's so thick, or the coverage is too heavy, or it doesn't work on dry skin. Knowing the correct application is really going to prevent any of those problems from happening, and I'm going to walk you through the application. If you have dry skin, I highly recommend that you moisturize your skin first, and you start with the moisture primer. This has shea butter, argan oil, and will help really keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. If you have oily combination or blemish prone skin, our salicylic acid matte primer is the way to go. This is going to help set your makeup, keep your skin matte for the day, and prevent you from breaking out. Okay, we're going to start by shaking the bottle. This will help if it's been sitting for a long time, and it's going to mix the pigments. So when you begin, you're going to want to prime the pump. It will take you about 5 presses to get the product out. One pump is more than enough to cover your entire face. I'm going to do about a half a pump on the back of my hand. From there, I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is the preferred method rather than a sponge. A sponge is going to pick up a little bit too much product and put too much product on your skin. You really want to take the smallest amount, dab it into the back of the hand, leaving most of it still on the hand, and start buffing into your skin. When you're swirling it into your skin, this is going to cover any of the imperfections and yet still allow your skin to peek through. You're going to continue around your face until you have the coverage that you want. If you need more in one area, you're going to just pick up a little bit more from the back of your hand, and you're going to focus on that area. I like to focus on my under eyes, around my nose, and around my chin. These are areas that tend to get shadowed or red. If you have a specific blemish or an area on your face you want to cover a little bit more, you can pick up a dot off the top of your hand and you can just buff in. The best way is to continue to swirl and buff. The beauty of using a brush rather than a sponge is that you're going to pick up a lot less product onto your brush than a sponge, and that's going to save you a lot of product, so you won't go through it as quickly, and you're going to get a flawless coverage. Trust me. Once the foundation is buffed onto your skin and you have the coverage that you want, I recommend setting it with a very light setting powder. This is the Soft Focused Hydrate and Set. It's got hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and it is talc free, so it's never going to leave you cakey or looking like you're putting makeup or powder over your foundation. I'm really going for a natural skin look. And that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can reach us through email or Instagram, DMs, Facebook. Thank you so much for watching.